Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. So I did a layout yesterday. This one here of one of my grandsons. Turned out adorable. And like I said, I'm going to use the same kit, the little boy from Carta Bella, and the same type of embellishments, but from the books, from Echo Park books, that if they're available, I will list them down below. And the rest of the paper that I had left from when I did the other one. And I'm going to use this in a layout. Now this one here, unfortunately, this is the back of it, but I liked this side for this paper. So I'm going to put this in the center, and I'm going to put this here. That looks busy. I understand, but stick with me because it's going to look good. It's a shame covering up paper with it. But, you know, I could gut it, but if I start gutting every time I do a layout, I would never get a layout done. You know, to me, I've got enough paper that I can find something else to use. So that's going to go there. This one's going to go on top of that, just like this. And I'm putting this on a piece of black paper, not cardboard, listen to me, cardstock, instead of the white one. Here's the picture, and I'm going to use that same background that I used on the other boys, his brother's layout. And I'm going to put this here. And I think I'm going to put this here. Yep, I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to put it up on a little bit of foam tape because I want it to be risen just a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to put this. I want to kind of off-center it a little bit, like that. All right, well, let's embellish this thing. Now at the bottom, I have a star, which I'm going to put on. This is 3 days in a row that I'm putting my scissors down on the right-hand side. Then haven't lost them. No, I don't think it's going to be something I get to do all the time. I think I'm going to probably mess it up again next week, but I'm trying not to lose my scissors every time I turn around. Now, there was something else I was going to put underneath here. Was it the football? No, I thought it was a soccer ball. Didn't I have a soccer? I had a soccer ball. Well, maybe it's what? No, here it is right in front of my face. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. You know, there's days you just have to worry about yourself. Yeah, I know. All right, so I'm going to put the star, and then I'm going to put the soccer ball just underneath it, just a little bit like that. And then I am going to get a train, and I'm going to put the foam tape on the back of it. I'm going to have to give myself some more foam tape pretty soon, though. This narrow one here, I'm running low on it. And then I'm going to put this right here, right there. But I think I want to move this just a little bit because I want it to be under that train just a little bit more, like that. That looks cute, right? All right, so I have this. It says best friend for the top of his. I could put this one up here. I think I will. I think I'll put this one up the top. And what I'm going to do is put it back on foam tape because I am going to tuck some things around it. This is where I'm just making a decision as I go and just deal with it. I'm going to trim this. I do have this one on a piece of that blue paper, but I'm going to trim the ends of it off just a little bit. Just because I wanted it to pop a little bit more off of this one because it's a little bit busier paper. Do I want that like that? I think I'm going to put it down a little bit because I think I'm going to put the embellishments on top of it. Let me see. Some of the things I'm going to do is I know I'm going to do this guy here, so I want to make sure enough of room for him. Come on, let go. Let it go. Let it go. I'm going to put this guy up at the top, so I want to make sure enough room. Do I like it there? I like it right there. Just there you go. And then I'm going to put this guy here on some foam tape. And I'm going to start layering around this thing. Like that. And then I got a lot of other stuff over here that I want to start putting in here. Now this little guy used to like rockets and stuff, so you know what? I'd rather have that on the other side of the paper. Let's see if I can get that. There it is. I'm going to scoot this over just a little bit because I want this on this side, because this side has a little bit more of the, you know, like the floor or something that I'm going to try to take away from a little bit on that. So I'm going to put that something like that. I'll put some foam tape or something underneath here and just, well, I can do it now. Do it now so you won't forget. I do talk to myself like this all the time in the house. My little dog, she doesn't know. She just listens to whatever I say. She doesn't bother her a bit. She sleeps right through it. All right, so now I have these things up here. Did I want to put some more things on here? I could put something like that. I do it like that. Everything's sticking to each other. I do use powder, and I take off some of the sticky off of it, so that when I get ready to play with this stuff, it's not one of those things that I'm getting, you know, they're all stuck to it and I have to, you know, once I put it down, it's there. I also, when I put things in my notebook, oh, I almost put that upside down. When I put things in my notebook, I also take the adhesive off of it so that I can slide it into little baseball card holders and stuff. Now let me turn this back around. Let me see what else I might want on here. I do have a football. I don't know if it's going to look good up here. No, I don't think she would. I don't think it is. Do I have other things I want to put up here? I like this little, that kind of looks cute. I wonder if I can get some of that foam tape on if it's too wide for that. I could probably put it on the corners right there. Let me see if I can get, not everything has to be on foam tape, but I think this will look good on foam tape because I have that other thing on foam tape. I had the best friend thing on foam tape. Oh, don't drop it. It'll go in that black hole and I'll never find it. So I'm thinking something like this. See, that looks cute. What else do I want to put on here? I got lots of stuff up here. I have some brothers. We're here. Do I want anything else on here? Oh, that's another train. I had another train. Oh, I like that. Let's put this up here too. What side do we like it on? Let's try it on this other side. Let's try it over here for a minute. I like it there. There it is. There it is. Here it goes. Carrying on again. All right. All right. Do I need anything else on here, guys, or is this enough? I like it. I think it's enough. I'll put the journaling on the back, just like I'm going to do the other one. I put a pocket back here, and I put the journaling in there because I like it better that way. So I have this one, and I have this one with the same paper, the same picture, the same type of embellishments, but look how different they are. I love this. I'm going to be doing this more often because I've got twin boys, and a lot of times the pictures of them together, and I don't like everything to be exact in their books because they're different. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. We got lots more to do, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.